Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. In today's video, we'll be working on this 12th generation Ford F-150. Do you have this problem right here where your door just will not stay open? Well, the reason for this will be your door check. So let's jump right into it and I'll show you what we need to do. Okay, so coming in here between the door and the cabin, you'll see this right here. This is your door check. Now this is meant to allow it to have a couple positions where it will stay open or keep it from closing. That way every time you open it and you let go of the door, it's not coming back and hitting you, just like that. If we actually look here, we can actually see that that one pushes in and it shouldn't be allowed to do that. Let me go show you the other side and show you what a properly working one will do. Okay, so coming to this side. That's how it should work right there. It's got different positions that it will stop at. Okay, so no matter what vehicle you're working on, you want to detach it from your door and you want to detach it from your cabin. So in this case, we have a 10mm. We got two 13mm nuts. After that, we'll have to fish it out from under here. Here's our new OEM part. There isn't really much to it. Okay, so coming in from the driver's side, if we look up here to the left, right above all of this, you see that black little guard piece going around in that funky shape. It's right there behind the wire loom. We need to take that out in order to get to that door check. It's as simple as just reaching up there and pulling it out. Okay, so now you need to take out the two 13mm nuts before you can actually pull this out, and the 10mm bolt. So as you can see, I'm pulling both these out. And now you just want to go ahead and get this 10mm out as well. Okay, with that out, now you can just take it and push it through so you can grab it on the back side. Don't push it all the way through because it could fall down to the bottom. Okay, so now you just want to reach your hand up through there and you'll feel it, and then you can pull it out, and then you just take your new part and you're going to stick it right back up in through there. Okay, so once you get it all back in there, you just want to make sure you get all of this black piece back in there the way it should be. Okay, so now to put it back together is super simple. You just want to line up those two studs right there. Once you got that lined up, you want to go ahead and get both of the nuts started. That way it doesn't fall back in if you push it. And then there's the second one. You just want to spin it on there, get a few threads. We'll tighten it down later. Now we need to get that 10mm bolt in. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start it by hand. That way we don't cross thread it. And then we can tighten everything down. Okay, so we'll just run that in with the electric ratchet. Should make it really easy. Now we'll move our way up to these 13mm. Go ahead and run those both in. And we're good to go after that. Make sure they're both tight. Now we can check to see if it works. And oh yeah, you can actually feel the door stop. It's not slamming into my leg. As you can see, it no longer closes by itself. The door check works and keeps the door open. But that's going to do it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.